Hello 5th class, this is page 133, question 4. We need our calculator to work out the total costs, but we've got to do a little bit of work before we get to the calculator. So our restaurant bill is €243, and on top of that we're adding a service charge of 13%. So that means that we're going to be adding on, well, on a calculator it's going to be 243 times 113%. Let's check that. So 243 times 113%. Now, if you look at the answer I've got here, I've got €274.59. In the answer book, I think they've rounded that up to 275. It doesn't tell you in the question to round it, so I'm giving you the exact answer I get to, okay? In part B, we're adding on to our 328, 3% booking fee, which means we're doing 328 times 103%. Is that okay? So we've got 328 times 103%, which gets us €337 and 84 cents. Again, that's rounded in the answer book, so be careful. And then the third one, this was a little tricky, the concert tickets. So they're €45 each, plus 4% charge on your credit card. So we're going to do 45 times 104%. That will be one ticket. So what will I have to do to get two tickets? I'll have to times it by 2. Right, so 45 times 104%. So each ticket is going to be €46.80. And I'm buying 2 tickets, so times 2 equals. So my total for my concert tickets is €93.60. And I think they've rounded that up in the answer book to €94. All right, have fun.